Good morning, students. Today we will read that the half of the story a real feast. So in half of the story, what we had read in previous video, that uh, Motilal, who is living the valleys of the Himalayan, and his friend Kishanlal, Motilal's friend Kishanlal visited Motilal's house in spring season, and Motilal also served with different types of delicious foods. What will be the possible? He served every kind of delicious food, fruits, vegetables, curry with salad, with sweets. Okay, in 3 meals. But every time, each and every time, Kishanlal said that these foods are good, but it is not comparable the food in our village. The food in our village is better than these food. So completely Motilal disappointed, and also hoping that and felt that maybe in Kishanlal's village they are eating more and more delicious food. So like this, after 1.5 days, Kishanlal left Motilal to his village. Then after, now we read what happened. So the year rolled by means some years after, one winter, Motilal decided to leave his snow-bound land for a while to enjoy the warmer climate of the plains. So in winter season, the Himalayan, the mountain is completely covered with ice. It is too cold there. So Motilal decided to visit to the plains where it is warmer than the Motilal's village. Okay. So Motilal decided to visit his friend Kishanlal in the winter season to enjoy the warmer climate of the plains. He decided to visit his friend. It would be good opportunity. So he said to himself that it would be a good opportunity that I will visit to my friend in winter season to enjoy the warmer climate, also to taste the delicious food in his village. He felt to taste the famous feast of Kishan's village, and their feast had never really left Motilal's thought. So Motilal said to himself that it is a great opportunity to enjoy the warmer climate, with that to enjoy the feast in Kishanlal's village, which never left from his mind of the Kishanlal. I served different kinds of fruits. Then also Kishanlal remind the foods of his village. So it is a great opportunity to enjoy the great feast or the grand feast of Kishanlal's village. So Kishanlal was delighted to see his friend after so many years. So after so many years, Motilal visited Kishanlal's village. So Kishanlal also very much delighted, very much happy to see his friend after many years. Do stay and rest here a while, he said, and Motilal willingly accepted. So Motilal came to stay there. So Kishanlal also requested him to his friend to stay for some days here. He welcomed his friend. He was very happy to see his friend. Also told his friend to spend some day in our village, and Motilal also accepted his request. That evening, Motilal spent the hours in great expectation. Great expectation means he feel more that he will get that more and more delicious food. He expect more. Okay. Imagine more, that dinner was served. A servant brought in 2 plates. The servant of Kishanlal brought dinner in 2 plates. Rotis, a bowl of curd, salad, dal, and plate of vegetables was all that had been served. But he served saffron rice with poultry things, with vegetables, with fruits, sweets, everything. But Kishanlal served Motilal just a plate of roti, rice, and curd, salad, plate of vegetables. Only that much. Then the servant departed. Departed means left away. He brought dinner in 2 plates only. For to Motilal and Kishanlal, he served them and he left that place. Okay. Motilal waited expectantly. Expectantly means completely. He expected that the servant will bring more and more delicious foods, and the Motilal is waiting in expectation of more delicious food. The servant did not appear. His friend turned to him and said, "Please start your meal." His friend Kishanlal said, "Dear friend, start your meal." Motilal gulped down the food without a word. Gulped down means ate all food without saying any word, and expected that maybe tomorrow morning he will be served with the delicious food of his village. So he did not say a single word. Just he ate the roti, dal, sabji, curd, salad and vegetables. He told himself to be patient. He said himself that please be patient. Maybe tomorrow morning you will be served with nice food. Surely tomorrow the delicacies of this village will be served to him. He thought that sure, it is no doubt tomorrow morning he must be served with delicious food of that village, because always Kishanlal compared his food with Motilal's food and always says that the food is from Kishanlal village is more delicious. The week passed through, but the food served to him was the same every day. So like this, with great expectation, Motilal lived 1 week with Kishanlal. Lived in his village Kishanlal with expectation of more and more delicious food. But he served only same kind of food, roti, dal, salad, 2-3 vegetables, that much, enough. That much only he served. Finally, the day of his departure arrived. Still, there was no change in the food. So, finally, the departure day came. Motilal was going to leave the village, but there was no change in food. Same food every day. Kishanlal served Motilal. Motilal could stay quiet no longer. Could not stay quiet. Could not stay silence no longer without saying a word. So he asked. So his patience over. He has no more patience to wait for delicious food. So he asked, saying, "When you came to stay with me, no matter how rich the food I served to you, you always said that there could not stand comparison with the food of your village. So once you came to my house and I served you with different kinds of delicious food, sweets, poultry, rice and vegetables, different types of fruits, fruits. Then also you said that your village is incomparable with our village. The food in your village is incomparable to our village. But you are only serving me very simple food from a week. I am showing that continuously you are serving me very simple food. But you are saying your food is more tastier than our food. So your village I find has no feast to offer. So your village also there is no feast to offer. You are not offering me a single tasty food or single delicious food. Normally simple food you are serving me. So how then can you dispute the superiority of the food served in our village? So how can you say that your food is superior than our food? If you are serving me simple food, just a simple food what a normal person eats, I served you with a large number of varieties of food, then also you are saying that your food is superior than our food. How can you say that? The Motilal asked to Kishanlal. So Kishanlal looked at Motilal with surprise and some amusement. Okay, so amusement is state of finding something funny. So Motilal, Kishanlal surprised by listening the question of Motilal. Then he hugged him and said. Then Kishanlal hugged Motilal, his friend, and said, "I am sorry, my friend. I never said that the food of my village are richer than yours." So Kishanlal said, I never said that the food in my village is richer than you. Richer food also rich food. No. Richer food means the food is prepared with costly items. You use saffron, you use cashew nut, you use dry fruits, you use milk, or you use different spices. Okay, or poultry things are very costly. Okay, so Kisan Lal said these I never said you that our foods are richer than you. Our foods are made of simple things, just simple vegetables and fruits and just rice or wheat. So I never told you that our foods are richer than your food. We of the village are simple people and our taste and habits too are simple. The we village people are what? We are simple people and our taste also very simple. Okay, we never eat such type of oily and spicy food. So we never know such type of items also. We never know also how to prepare such type of items. Okay, we work hard in our field and eat simple but nourishing food. Nourishing food means what? Nourishing means food containing substance for growth. Means why do we eat food? We eat food for growth, get energy. Okay, to make our body grow. But if you eat such type of spices food or oily food every day, then your health may be decreased and you may suffer from variety of diseases. If you eat simple food, you will be healthy. Okay, so the Kisan Lal says that we work hard the whole day in our village and we like to eat just a simple and nourishing food which help our body grow and make us strong and healthy in our body. And the secret of our health and prosperity. Our health and prosperity, the secret is that simple food, healthy food, which is good for our health. The food you served me was too rich to be nourishing. This is also too rich nourishing food, but all can't afford that. All can't eat such type of food, like only the rich people can eat. Okay, so what we eat, that is very simple and less cost, then also it is very nourishing and good for health. I must also have cost you a great deal. It must also have cost you a great deal. Means what you served me, you spent so much money. It was too costly. But what is the use of such food? If it is costly food, you are spending much food, then also it harms us. Then what is the use of such food? So though we are belong to village and we are simple food and we like to or love to eat simple food which is nourishing. So that's why I told that our food is incomparable to your food. But I never told you that our foods are richer than your food. So Motilal had to acknowledge the strength of his friend's argument. Now Motilal could understand where is the fault. Motilal could understand that what his friend actually wanted to tell. His friend was not did not say that the food served by Motilal was not good or it is not richer or it is better than his village food, but only he says that they are simple, so they are loves to eat this simple food, that never liked such type of spicy or oily food. So he returned home a changed man. So changed man means he changed his mind. So to show his pride, to show his status, Motilal served with different types of delicious food. That is not necessary. Okay. So generally in our houses also we do that. One guest came means we are preparing so many costly foods and try to impress them. So that is not necessary. We always serve them simple food, healthy food, which is good or nourishing food, and that is the good for us and others also. So that is the morality of the story, that we must eat simple and nourishing food. We must not like or avoid such type of spicy, oily or other costly food or such type of food which is harmful to our body.